Local governance, rural and urban. We know that we need the government to look after our welfare, safety and security. For solving local problems, local self-institutions have been set up. In India, there are 3 levels of government: the union government, the state government and the local self-government. Panchayat Raj system. The Panchayati Raj is a system of local self-government and is administered by Panchayati Raj institutions. Their functions include provision of safe drinking water, healthcare, primary education, good drainage, and family welfare. The rural local self-governing bodies are Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti, and Zilla Parishad. The Gram Panchayat is at the lowest level. Gram Sabha. It consists of all members above the age of 18 years in the village and those whose names are listed in the electoral list, and all those who have right to vote. These all people are the members of Gram Sabha. The development schemes for the village are placed before the Gram Sabha for approval. Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is formed in any large village or by the combination of small villages located nearby. The Sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. The Sarpanch is elected by the members of the Gram Panchayat for a term of 5 years. The Sarpanch may be elected directly by the villagers. The Panchayat looks after the welfare of the village. It constructs and repairs wells, drains, tanks, roads, bridges, street lights, etc. It provides healthcare facilities by setting up health centers and dispensaries. It ensures the supply of clean drinking water. It provides educational facilities. It regularly holds village markets and fairs. It maintains public hygiene, cleanliness and sanitation. Registration of birth and deaths and maintenance of ward and ward services. Village Secretariat. Under Village Secretariat system, on 5th, 12th, 20th and 27th of every month, Panchayat level officers like Gram Sevak, A&M, agricultural supervisors, hand pump mechanics, etc. are present throughout the day in Panchayat head office. Under the administration of Sarpanch, these officers hear the problems of the village and do solve them. Panchayat Samiti. The head of the Panchayat Samiti is called the Pradhan. Each Panchayat Samiti region is divided into its wards. The electors of each ward elect a representative who will be the member of the Panchayat Samiti. They hold up periodic meetings in which block-level officers of all the departments of the block participate. Zilla Parishad. The Zilla Parishad coordinates the activities of the various Panchayat Samitis. It is the uppermost body under the Panchayati Raj. Chairperson of Block Samiti are also represented in Zilla Parishad. Women also become a part to it by the reservation of 1/3 seats. It contributes for a better functioning of Gram Panchayat and Block Samiti. It provides its support in improving sanitation and agriculture production. The importance of Panchayati Raj is that the local problems are solved at the local level only. Also, they look after the general sanitation and building of roads, tanks and schools for boys and girls. Drawbacks of Panchayat. The Panchayat is dependent on government at higher level. for their funds, and this restricts their decision making. At times, there is a lack of cordial relationship between officials and people. Political interference in decision making also hampers the effectiveness of local government.